How to make homemade .22 long rifle, lead-free, California legal hunting ammunition. Right now in the United States of America, there's still a little bit of a .22 long rifle shortage going on. And if you live in California, well, your legislators have decided that it's illegal to hunt with ammunition which contains lead, which is stupid. So I can only imagine how hard it is for you to try to find that alloy hunting .22 long rifle. Well, I had this little idea that perhaps I could kind of contrive something here, a way for you to hunt small game, things like squirrels, varmints, and other little tiny things, with your .22 long rifle, and still have it be California legal. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need yourself to find, some sort of basic .22 long rifle. It could be a lead round nose, whatever it is. Get yourself a conventional .22 long rifle round, the kind that contain lead. Pull the bullet off. And this could be a little bit tricky. You don't want to put too much pressure on the rim and ignite the round, but take the bullet off and leave the rest of the round as it is. The next thing you're going to have to do is go around and pick up a whole bunch of odds and ends. You're going to need to pick up some sort of BBs, the 4.5 millimeter, .177 caliber BBs, like the kind that you would use for something like your Red Ryder BB rifle. All right, the one I suggest is the Crosman Copperheads. They have a copper jacket and a steel core, so they're lead-free, and they're made in USA. Now, you can also pick up some of those new alloy and polymer hunting pellets that they have designed for pellet rifles. Once again, .177 caliber or 4.5 millimeter. Now, the other odds and ends you're going to need to pick up, try to find some canning wax. If you can't find canning wax, you could use an old candle. If you can't find that at your house, you can just get regular chocolate, melt down chocolate into a double boiler. And the idea is that you're going to have to pour now this wax or chocolate into something like a little cup, or preferably maybe like those tea light candle holders. Pour, once again, preferably something like a canning wax into a container of that sort, and then place in a few BBs or these alloy or other polymer pellets into the wafer. And as it dries or solidifies, you could take that wafer out of its holder and press each individual BB or pellet down into the mouth of that .22 long rifle cartridge case. So essentially what you've done is you pushed in a wax slug into the mouth of your cartridge case. And in the core of it, there's now a BB or a pellet. So the wax kind of acts as if it was like a sabot. And the actual penetrator, the actual device, is basically a .177 caliber projectile. Now, obviously, there's virtually no mass in this projectile, so you're not going to have the same hitting power as a real .22. But if it's a game that you can take out with a pellet rifle, you could probably take it out also now with your .22. And I believe if these rounds feed correctly, there's a good chance that they can also action semi-automatic firearms, so you have a rapid shot capability. If this video has helped you in any way, well, that's good, and I wish you the best. Take care.